Today we'll talk about how can you enable text messages on your Amazon Alexa app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on more down here. You just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on settings, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, you click here on reminders, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open a video like this. You come here to send text messages to my phone, clicking this, you click on it here. When you come to this list, click in this sign that like you say, you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you add your ID here, so or add your phone number, so you add here your phone number here, you add it. Then it's going to enable with you here text messages on your Amazon Alexa app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.